Welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's me, the beat maker B2G. Today I'm going to be making Toronto trap beats. Now I'm going to launch my FL Studio properly. Make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel, turn on your notification bell below so that anytime I drop new videos you will get notified. I'm just going to put my cursor here, right click and just press open. Very soon it's loading and very soon it will open and I'll start producing my Toronto trap beats. Now I've opened my FL Studio. I'm just going to click on this add here, click on Citrus, then I'm going to left click and hold it, turn the mouse wheel up channel 5, then I'm going to click on this icon, click on my preset, then I'm going to pick this plugin called, this preset called Slow Stars. It's not sounding good. I'm going to pick another one again to replace it. I'm going to pick this one called Thrush. It's not sounding very good again. I'm going to pick another one again. I'm going to call this one called Stellium. I'm going to change it again. I'll make sure I pick the right one that sounds very good. I'll just be picking it to make sure I pick the right one that sounds very good to start producing my Toronto trap beats. I'm going to use one of my Toronto trap beat. I'm going to right click and press piano roll. I'm going to create the 2 bars pattern, then after I'm going to copy bars number 8. I'm going to left click and hold it, highlight to your left and press Ctrl and B. On add here, I'm going to click on add here and pick this plugin called FL Studio. I'm going to left click and hold it, highlight it, channel 6. I'm going to right click and press piano roll. For my hi-hat, I'm going to right click and press piano roll. Press Ctrl and B, that's bar number 8. I'm going to turn on my hi-hat and stop one. I'm going to turn on stop one and press sound measure. On my snare here, I'm going to right click and press piano roll. Here, I'm going to left click it and drop it to channel 1. Then I'm going to right click and press piano roll. pattern 1 here. I'm going to right click and split by channel. Now I'm going to click on my kick and drop it into channel 1. Click on my hi-hat, drop it into my playlist. Click on my snare, drop it into my playlist. Click on my first melody and drop it in my playlist. Click here on the FL keys and drop it into my playlist. Then I'm going to left click, highlight your left, copy to make it longer. I'm arranging my beat now, creating space for an intro and outro. Right click and create automation clip. On my second melody, I'm going to right click and create automation clip. Now I'm spicing on my beat now. My first melody on slot 1, I'm going to add a full tone of band compressor. First melody here, I'm going to click on slot 1 and add the full tone of band compressor. On slot 2, I'm going to add the full limiter. On slot 3, I'm going to add the full parametric EQ2. On slot 1, in the second melody, I'm going to add the full parametric EQ2. On slot 2, I'm going to add the limiter again. On my snare here, I'm going to click here and add the sound organizer. Thank you so much for watching how to make Toronto trap beat. Now let's listen to my Toronto trap beat from the starting to the end. Let's go. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time in another video, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much.